In this video, I'm going to show you how to fill color in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have some shape or something you would like to fill. So, for example, over here on the left-hand side, if I go ahead and just put on a simple, let's say, object here, I'm going to use this cloud tool and do it like this. It currently has no fill color. What you can do, and by far the easiest way, is to just go over here on the right-hand side, where you can see this color, and you just want to basically select what color you want, and it's going to fill that color inside your object. If you cannot see this color slider, you can click on Window up top, hover over Panels, and click on Reset, and it should then show your color panel again, and this is basically how you can do it. And if it's not working for you, if you have your own image, for example, and it's like a PNG or something, and it's just not changing, I also have a trick for you if you are in that situation. So let me show you. If I go ahead and click on File, you want to click on Place over here. You want to select whatever you want to put on here. So let's just say I want to, I don't know, recolor my logo here. I want to click on Open, and I'm going to click somewhere over here. It's going to pop it up, and then if you place it in like this, so your image or whatever is placed in like that, you can then change the color over here on the right, and it's going to adapt to your image. So that's how you do it. That's how you fill color. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.